Alright, so this is the difficult part. Sometimes we use the same verb with different particles and then we create more verbs, more meanings, right? So for example, the same verb that I previously used, which is put off. You postpone something, right? But you can also say put on. I put on my clothes. So you cover your body with clothes, right? Or you can say I put back, right? I put it back, meaning you return something to its original place. So you see, if you use the same verb with different particles, then you create more verbs. Some verbs have different meanings. You can use the same phrasal verb and it has different meanings as well. So for example, you can say take off. You can use take off for take something off, right? Take it away or out. Remove, right? Take off your clothes. Okay, so remove your clothes. Take off your shoes. Remove your shoes, right? Or you can say take off you're leaving. Okay, you're at a party and then you decide that it's too late, and then you say, well, I'm gonna take off. It's too late. I had to work tomorrow morning. So you have the ones that you use the same verb and you change the particles, so you create a new verb, and then you have the ones that it is just simply the same verb, the same phrasal verb, and it has different meanings. Okay?